Tingnan nyo naman guys kung gaano kaganda magtakbo. Ano matawong gadagan kung alas 3 oy. Alas 4 na. Pero init pagyapon kayo. Bugnaw dia sa inyo ah. Hi guys, run with me here in Guimaras. Tara, let's get ready. I'll be using this short from Badima. Pinakagandahan nito guys is meron siyang inner cycling, which is hindi ka na mababalaka kung aalog ng gusto yung betlog mo kasi may inner cycling na siya for additional protection sa betlog mo. Tara, suot natin. Ito yung fit niya sa akin ngayon. But the problem is, hindi ko dala yung belt bag ko. So, yung phone ko, tsaka yung AirPods ko, tsaka yung pera na dadalhin ko is sa kamay ko lang ilalagay. Like, that's not gonna stop me to run. Not today, okay? And isusuot natin tong running t-shirt or running dry fit t-shirt ng Selks. Ganyan naman yung fit niya sa akin. Where's that shoes? And isusuot ko tong running shoes ko. Kukuha lang ako ng 100 pesos dito para may pocket money ako. Since wala na talaga akong choice guys, isusuksok siya talaga dito sa brief ko. Kasi I don't have any belt bag, so let's just do it the old ways. Fit check muna tayo. Ito yung outfit ko ngayon. A dry fit running t-shirt, a dry fit short from Badima with inner cycling. Tapos my running shoes and then my socks. I'll be using this Realme Buds 6. Tara guys, warm up tayo. Tingnan nyo naman guys kung gaano kaganda magtakbo. Kung gaano kaganda magtakbo sa probinsya. Like this feels so. Yeah. You know what I mean? Kaya pag makauwi ka sa probinsya nyo, make sure to run. Kasi it's really good to run with nature. Like it gives you peace. You know what I mean? Yep. Just keep running guys. It's 2 km guys. We're up to 5 km today. Tignan nyo guys. Diba? Ganyan kaganda mag-run dito sa probinsya. Like super nice. Happy Sunday by the way guys. Just keep on running. Tingnan nyo guys. Diba? 3 km guys. Almost there.